Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to introduce you to the perfect starter embroidery machine for beginners and pros alike. Embroidery is an art, but like all art forms, your creative potential depends greatly on your tools. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to embroider at home, a crafter who wants to start a business, or an entrepreneur in search of the ideal entry-level machine for your shop, Ricoma's EM-1010 is the perfect machine to help bring your vision to life. With the EM-1010, you can embroider a wide range of caps, flats, and finished garments from practically anywhere. This 10-needle machine weighs only 99 pounds, so you can take it anywhere you plan on running your machine, whether it be the mall, the craft fair, or even your bedroom. With 4 different size hoops included, no project is too big or too small for this versatile machine. The 2.8-inch by 2-inch hoop is perfect for small items like baby clothing, while the 2-inch sewing arm allows ample room to sew onto smaller areas like sleeves. With the 4.3-inch by 4.3-inch hoop, you can stitch on anything from smaller beanies and onesies to larger items like tees and tanks. With the 7.5-inch by 5.5-inch hoop, you'll be able to embroider on garments like polos and robes, as well as accessories like totes and backpacks. You can also embroider larger designs on jacket backs, vests, sports uniforms, and more, with the machine's largest 12.2-inch by 8.2-inch hoop. And with the included wide-angle cap system, you can stitch high-quality designs on all sorts of caps without having to spend thousands more on an additional cap attachment. Once you're ready to embroider, you can efficiently upload designs straight from your computer with the EM-1010's network capability. And with the USB input, you can quickly upload and store up to 20 million stitches on your machine's large internal memory from anywhere. Speaking of anywhere, the EM-1010's control panel is programmed with 15 major languages so that you can enjoy your machine from wherever you are in the world. The machine's easy-to-use 7-inch HD LCD touchscreen panel allows you to edit your designs directly on your screen. You can easily resize, duplicate, rotate, and adjust your design's stitch density, compensation, and more. And if you want to add a personal touch to your project, you can choose from the machine's built-in fonts to allow you to create personalized designs directly on your panel without having to digitize. You can also select which hoop you are using with the machine's preset hoop options. That way, your machine will automatically center your hoop and show you your design relative to your hoop to simplify design placement. And to make sure that your design is ready for embroidery, you can easily trace your design with the one-step tracing feature to guarantee it's placed perfectly within your hoop. Meanwhile, with the machine's efficiency features, you can complete projects with time to spare, so you can focus on learning new techniques and perfecting your craft. The machine's maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute allows you to swift through projects without compromising design quality, while its 10 needles make changing spools a thing of the past. With automatic color change, you can quickly run multicolored designs from start to finish without worrying about stopping to change thread. You can sit back as you watch the machine head automatically move from one needle to the next as the design runs. In fact, the machine practically runs itself, especially with its patented thread break detection system. This system is designed to feed thread smoothly through the thread path to reduce thread breaks and will automatically stop itself if one does occur. That way, you'll never worry about skipping a stitch. And if you ever need to go back, you can easily utilize the panel to forward and rewind through designs at high and low speeds. The EM-1010 also makes applique a breeze. With the touch of a button, you'll be able to place your fabric directly in the hoop with the one-step frame-out function that brings your hoop out to you for easy placement. And adjusting thread tension is easy with the machine's factory-calibrated thread tension system. With it, you'll only need to make minimal adjustments to your tension to get the best quality. All you have to do is turn the knobs and instantly you'll see your design come to life. You can even turn the knobs to adjust tension as your design runs. In fact, it's so efficient that you can easily import designs even while your machine is running, thanks to its dual internal processor, which really saves you time if you need to upload your next design as you're embroidering. Meanwhile, its LED lighting system near the needles improves visibility so you can monitor your design's progress and make sure you don't miss any details. And once you're done embroidering, you don't have to worry about cleanup. The machine's automatic thread trimming feature makes post-embroidery cleanup easier than ever, so you can have a clean and crisp finished product that your customers, family, and friends will be sure to love. And although the EM-1010 is an entry-level machine, it's designed with your future in mind. If you decide to purchase another machine in the future, you can connect your EM-1010 to any other Ricoma embroidery machine and easily input designs directly from your computer. And the best part is, you'll get everything you need to start embroidering already included within the price of the machine. The EM-1010 comes complete with Hatch software by Wilcom, an industry favorite, a cap embroidery system that includes a cap station, cap driver, and cap hoop, 4 hoops of different sizes, a portable and mobile workspace stand, online training videos to help you get started from wherever you are, the industry's best 7 days a week and after-hour support for the lifetime of your machine, 20,000 stock designs to get you started as soon as your machine arrives, and a starter kit with thread, bobbins, backing, and needles, virtually everything you need to get your machine up and running right away. Meanwhile, the EM-1010's 25-year warranty ensures that you'll get the most out of your machine for years to come. So if you've been searching for that perfect machine to start or grow your business, you'll find the right price, capability, quality, and support with Ricoma's EM-1010.